Hey everyone, this is a quick note on how to set up the new Google Analytics. Google Analytics have changed a bit. So here is the dashboard when you go to googleanalytics.com, analytics.google.com, set up for free. The name is, for example, Files. You hit next, and here where you have to select the property name, website, show advanced option. So you have to click show advanced option before proceeding, and then turn on I'll show you here, turn on create a universal analytics property. After you do, you put in your website name, and then you select create a universal analytics property only. After you do that, you fill in this information and you click create, accept the terms and conditions, save, and then you will get to this dashboard where you can select copy the code and put it in your website. Alright,